Hey guys, welcome to Tony's How-Tos. In this video, I will show you how to upload high quality YouTube shorts. So when you notice when you actually upload a short via your mobile device, you'll notice a significant decline on the quality. The reason behind this is actually it's going to actually compress your video every time you upload a short video through your phone. So get around that, you want to actually use the PC way. So you want to actually upload your shorts via your PC. It's the reason behind it, it's not going to go through the compression that you'll be going through when you actually upload it in your mobile device. So I suggest you to use a reliable editing tool here that actually sets your video to 4K, which is the highest quality that we could get right now for YouTube. So I suggest to use a CapCut here. So as an example here, I have this video here that I'm going to upload as a short on YouTube. So a few settings that you need to adjust here. So first is you have to actually have the correct ratio for this one. So when you click on the bottom right of this player here, you'll be able to actually adjust your size. So I use the 9:16 size here, which is the short format. You could just go ahead and use that and do all of the edits that you want to do here. So if you have any intros, just add it here. If you want to add any text, go ahead and do that. So once you've satisfied with all of your edits and all of your filters, just go ahead and click on the export at the top right of your screen. And from here, you could choose the location, the title, and the resolution here. So ensure that you have the 4K option here selected. And once satisfied, just click on the export button you see at the bottom of the screen. And that's going to start exporting your video. So once your video has been exported, when we actually go back into that specific location where we save our video, you'll see this video here. So when we go ahead and open this up, it's going to show you the video similar to the short format. So here, for you to actually upload a short on YouTube, because when you actually click on the plus button at the top right, that's the create button there, you won't be able to actually see the short button there. So it's kind of confusing because for YouTube, they actually automatically choose whether it's a video or it's a short. So if your video is actually under 60 seconds, it's going to be automatically defined as a short video, but it's if over 60 seconds, it's going to be defined as a video itself on YouTube. So just click on the upload video here, and you just have to ensure that your video is actually in high quality, which is 4K, and at the same time under 60 seconds. So here, go ahead and open that folder here and just drag in your video. So once you've dragged it here, you just need to wait for it to upload. And as you can see, it's going to change real time on my screen. So you'll notice that your video is going to be set as a short. If you notice the sudden change on your video link here, that would say the short and the full link of your video there. As you can see right now on my screen, the link for my video here suddenly changed to shorts. So the rest is the same. You just need to add your title, description, and a lot of other settings here that you usually do for uploading shorts. And yeah, so you just need to complete all the details requested from you, and from here just need to click on the next and upload, and you should be good. So now I'm in my YouTube studio. As you can see, the recent video that we just uploaded is now uploaded as a short here. It signifies the short icon here. That's how you know that your video is actually a short. So when we go to this video here and go to the video qualities here, as you can see, 4K is an option on the video quality for this video, and that's how you upload high quality YouTube shorts. And thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, you could use the link in the description to subscribe. See you in the next video.